Muraho neza. Hano nanone ni muri Action College nkuko mubibona, rya shuri ry'indimi. Amazina yanjye nitwa Shyaka Paul, nkaba ndi umwarimu w'igishinwa ndetse n'icyongereza. Uyu munsi rero turaba turi kumwe turebera hamwe bimwe mu bintu by'ingenzi umuntu agomba kumenya mu gishinwa. Babyeyi namwe banyeshuri muri mu vacances, iki nicyo gihe kugira ngo ube wazana umwana wawe aze kuba yakwihugura ururimi rw'igishinwa. By'umwihariko ni ururimi rumaze kugeza benshi kure, ni ururimi rw'ingenzi cyane umuntu agomba kumenya, cyane ko ari ururimi rutazwi n'abantu benshi. So uyu munsi turaba turi kumwe turebera hamwe uko umuntu ashobora gusuhuza ibintu umuntu ashobora guheraho muri ururimi rw'igishinwa. Hanyuma rero twatangiye isomo ryacu nk'uko mubizi ry'igishinwa. Tugiye kubanza kureba uburyo ki ushobora gusuhuza cyangwa se greetings in Chinese. Murakaza neza muri iri somo. Hanyuma insuzanyo ya mbere dufite hi cyangwa hello. So mu gishinwa iyo usuhuza umuntu ushaka kumubwira hi cyangwa se hello, dukoresha ni hao, ni hao. Subiramo ni hao. Ni hao nibyo bivuze hello. Iyi ni personal pronoun you, hanyuma hao bivuze good. Ni nko kuvuga hello cyangwa se hi, cyangwa ibyo tuvuga mu Kinyarwanda ngo amakuru. Uburyo bwa kabiri ni ukubaza umuntu ngo how are you. How do you say how are you in Chinese? Tuvuga ni hao nkuko twabivuze hano hejuru, ariko tukongeraho question particle mu gishinwa ma. Iyo ushyizeho iyi ma bituma iyi ni hao ita iba ikibazo. Iyi ni hao ya mbere ivuga hello, ni hao ma bikavuga how are you. Reka tujyane ni hao ma ni ukuvuga how are you. Uburyo bwa gatatu good morning cyangwa se mwaramutse. Mu gishinwa tuvuga zao shang hao. Mwaramutse mu gishinwa cyangwa se good morning tuvuga zao shang hao. Subiramo zao shang hao. Zao shang mu busanzwe bivuze morning cyangwa se igitondo. So iyo umuntu akubwiye zao shang hao ni nko kuvuga morning zao shang, good hao zao shang hao. Hanyuma kuvuga mwiriwe cyangwa se good afternoon, good afternoon. Good afternoon cyangwa se mwiriwe tuvuga xiao. Ubundi xiao ni ukuvuga afternoon, then tukongeraho hao. Xiao hao. Repeat. Xiao hao. Xiao hao ni ukuvuga good afternoon. Okay? Then ubundi buryo ni ukuvuga good evening. Good evening. Good evening rero tuvuga wan shang hao. Wan shang hao. Good evening ni ukuvuga wan shang hao. Subiramo wan shang hao. Hariho ubundi buryo ushobora kubwira umuntu long time no see cyangwa se hashize igihe tutabonana. Tuvuga how long time no see. Mu gishinwa tuvuga 好久好久不见 subiramo 好久不见好久n'ubundi ni ukuvuga long time 不见 no see cyangwa se igihe kinini tutabonana 好久不见 good dufite uburyo tubwira umuntu good night cyangwa se ijoro ryiza good night. Yes, dufite good night ariho tuvuga waan. Twabonye ko ari ijoro waan good night. Okay? Hanyuma kuvuga goodbye cyangwa se murabeho tuvuga in English goodbye. In Chinese we say 再见 subiramo 再见 goodbye in Chinese. Irindi ryo somo rero tubonye mu Gishinwa uko dushobora gusuhuzanya. Reka twihute cyane turebe. Days in Chinese. Uburyo tuvuga iminsi mu Gishinwa kuva ku wa mbere kugeza ku cyumweru. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in Chinese. Ku wa mbere tuvuga 星期一 repeat 星期一 ubundi 星期mu Gishinwa bivuze icyumweru cyangwa se icyo tuvuga mu Cyongereza week. Hanyuma kuvuga 星期一 no kuvuga ku wa mbere iyi yi bivuze one. Guess what? Ku wa kabiri tuvuga 星期二 okay? Subiramo 星期二 very good. Ku wa gatatu tukavuga 星期三 repeat 星期三 Wednesday. Ku wa kane tuvuga 星期四 subiramo 星期四 aho ni ku wa kane. Ku wa gatanu 星期五 again 星期五 ku wa gatandatu 星期六 repeat again 星期六 ku cyumweru tukavuga ku cyumweru cyangwa Sunday tuvuga 星期天 again 星期天 ariko nanone ku cyumweru dushobora kuvuga 星期日 repeat after me. Hano dusoma ri tugasoma 星期日. Iyi ri ubundi bivuze sun cyangwa se izuba. So 星期日 in English we say Sunday. So iyi sun n'ubundi ni izuba, ri nayo ni izuba, 星期 ni wi. So Sunday niyo mpamvu tuvuga 星期日. Okay? Reka duhere ku wa mbere. 星期一 星期二 星期三 星期四 星期五 星期六 星期天 or 星期日. Iyi niyo minsi tugira mu Gishinwa. Tugiye kurebera hamwe amezi mu Gishinwa cyangwa se months. Ubundi ukwezi months in Chinese. Amezi cyangwa se ukwezi mu Gishinwa we simply say yue. Yue means month in Chinese. Subiramo yue. Ubundi yue ni ukuvuga ukwezi cyangwa se month. Ariko mu Kinyarwanda tuvuga ukwezi uhunguko ko mu kirere ko mu ijoro kuduhereza urumuri nijoro, ariko no ukwezi k'umwaka nabwo tukavuga uko ari ukwezi. So in Chinese also iyi yue ivuze ukwezi kugize umwaka, ikongera ikavuga ukwezi uhunguko kuba muri universe kuduhereza light nijoro. So iyo tugiye kuvuga amezi mu Gishinwa dusanzwe tuzi kubara ukwezi kwa mbere ariko January tuvuga iyi bivuze rimwe. So ukwezi twabonye ko tuvuga ngo iki yue, ubwo tuvuga yue. Repeat yue. Ukwezi kwa kabiri February tuvuga R ni kabiri tukongeraho yue y'ukwezi tuvuga yue. Repeat yue. Ukwezi kwa gatatu March gatatu tubivuga mu Gishinwa tuvuga sun tukongeraho yue y'ukwezi tuvuga sun yue. Repeat sun yue. Ukwezi kwa kane April tuvuga si tukongeraho yue y'ukwezi tuzavuga si yue. Repeat si yue. So formule no kunguko ugenda ufata umubare ukongeraho ijambo yue y'ukwezi. Gatanu kwezi kwa gatanu tuvuga May. Mu Gishinwa tuvuga gatanu bisanzwe wo yue. Ukwezi kwa gatanu. Kwa gatandatu June. Mu Gishinwa tuvuga kwa gatandatu tuvuga Lyo, tukongeraho yue y'ukwezi tuvuga hano Lyo yue. Subiramo Lyo yue. Ukwezi kwa karindwi July tuvuga karindwi mu busanzwe tuvuga chi mu Gishinwa. Subiramo chi. So chi kongeraho yue y'ukwezi tuvuga chi yue. Repeat chi yue. Ukwezi kwa munani August. Umunani mu Gishinwa tuvuga ba. Repeat ba. Tukongeraho yue y'ukwezi tuzavuga ba yue. Ukwezi kwa cyenda September. Ubundi icyenda mu Gishinwa tuvuga jyo. Tukongeraho yue y'ukwezi tuzavuga jyo yue. Repeat jyo yue. Ukwa cumi October. Icumi mu Gishinwa tuvuga shi. Repeat shi. Tukongeraho yue y'ukwezi tuzavuga shi yue. Hasigaye ukwa cumi na kumwe n'ukwa cumi n'abiri. November cyangwa ukwa cumi na kumwe mu Gishinwa ubusanzwe cumi na rimwe tuvuga shi uvuga ya shi y'icumi ukongeraho yi 11. Okay? Shi yi ukongeraho yue y'ukwezi usabaga shi yi yue. Kwa 12 December. December. Guess what? Tuvuga 10 shi na kabiri shi tukongeraho r kabiri yue. Uko no kwa 12 shi r yue. Okay? Kadusubiramo guhera kwa mbere kugeza kwa 12. Yi yue. Yi yue. R yue. R yue. San yue. San yue. Si yue. Si yue. Wo yue. Wo yue. Liu yue. Liu yue. Qi yue. Qi yue. Ba yue. Ba yue. Jiu yue. Jiu yue. Shi yue. Shi yue. Shi yi yue. Shi yi yue. Shi er yue. Shi er yue. Good. So, the more you make practice, we say practice makes perfect. Bizagenda birushaho kuza kandi biroroshye cyane. Aya ngaya niyo mezi rero dufite mu Gishinwa. This is one of the interesting subjects in Chinese. Family members. Family members in Chinese. Duhereye kuri papa, father. Father, or my father, or your father. In Chinese, we say baba. Repeat. Baba. Just like in Kiswahili. Baba. Father. Let's go now on mother. Cyangwa se mama. We say mama. Very simple. Mama. In Chinese, my mother. Or mama wanje. Tuvuga mama. Nkuko tubivuga mu Kinyarwanda. Mama. Kuvuga uncle. Uncle. Kuvuga uncle in Chinese. Tuvuga shu shu. Repeat. Shu shu. Kuvuga brother. Ariko elder brother. Elder. Elder brother in Chinese. Ge. Repeat. Ge. Oni elder brother. Tukagira younger brother. Younger brother. Cyangwa se murumuna wanje. Jewe ndi umuhungu. Tuvuga didi. Subiramo didi. Tukajya kuri elder sister. Umukobwa tuvukana mukuru. Elder sister in Chinese we say jie. Repeat. Jie. Katuje kuri younger sister. Younger sister. Tuvuga Mei. Subiramo Mei. Wow, very nice. Mei. Younger sister. Kuvuga aunt. Aunt in Chinese. Tuvuga yi. Repeat. yi. Very good. Kuvuga grandfather. Grandfather in Chinese. We say yeah. Repeat. Yeah. Good. Kuvuga noneho grandmother cyangwa nyogokuru. Grandmother in Chinese. We say nai. Repeat. Nai. Good. So, this is how we represent our family members in Chinese. Father, baba, mother, mama, uncle, shushu, elder brother, ge, younger brother, didi, elder sister, jie, younger sister, mei, aunt, ayi, grandfather, ye, grandmother, nai. Repeat. Nai. Very good. So, another lesson we're going to be looking at. Let's look at numbers in Chinese. Numbers. Uko tubara mu Gishinwa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Rimwe mu Gishinwa tuvuga yi nkuko twabibonye, kabiri r, gatatu san, kane s, gatanu wo, gatandatu lyo, karindwi chi, umunani ba, icyenda jyo, icumi shi. Dutangire yi r, san si, wo lyo, chi ba, jyo shi. Quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Kuvuga 11 tuvuga 10 tukongeraho rimwe. 11. Tuvuga shi tukongeraho ya rimwe yi. Repeat. Shi yi. Very good. 12 mu Gishinwa tuvuga shi a. Repeat. Shi a. Iyo ni 12. 13 tuvuga shi san. Tufata 10 tukongeraho gatatu. Shi san. Very good. 14 shi tukongeraho kane si. Shi y'icumi si ya kane. 15 tuvuga shi wo tukongeraho gatanu. Shi y'icumi wo ya gatanu. Shi wo. Okay. 16 shi lyo. Repeat. Shi y'icumi lyo ya gatandatu. Shi lyo. 17 turakomeza gutyo. Shi chi. 18 shi ba. 19 shi jyo. 20 tuvuga kabiri. In Chinese, from the biggest to the smallest. Kabiri, 0. Kabiri, ariko biri muri tens. Ibuka twiga kera, twigaga tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, millions, and so on. So ahanga turacyari muri tens. Niyo mpamvu tuvuga kabiri tukavuga icyiciro irimo. 20 iri muri tens, ubwo tuzavuga kabiri r iri mu cyiciro cya tens. Tens mu gishinwa tuvuga shi, ubwo tuzavuga r shi. Okay, now tell me 21. Try. Tuvuga r shi 20, tukongeraho rimwe yi, ngo tuvuga r shi yi. Repeat. R shi yi. Then 30 tuvuga san gatatu iri mu cyiciro nayo cya tens, ubwo tuzavuga san shi. Repeat. San shi. 40 tuvuga kane si, tukongeraho icyiciro shi si shi. 50 tuvuga wo shi. Repeat. wo shi. 60 tuvuga ryo shi. 70 chi shi. 80 ba shi. 90 jo shi. 100 tukavuga yi bai. Repeat. Yi bai. Iryo ngiryo ni 100. Kaduhere hano noneho yi r san si wo ryo chi ba jo shi. 10 shi yi shi r shi san shi si shi wo shi六十七十八十九20 20 21 ugakomeza 22 ubyohereze muri comment section. 21 katugiye kuri 30 30 40 40 50 60 70 80 90 100. Okay? 200. So, guess what? Magana abiri. Magana abiri tuvuga R. Nibisanzwe icyiciro twakibonye ko ari by hundreds. Ubwo tuvuga R by. Repeat. R by. Magana atatu. Magana atatu mu gishinwa tuvuga san by. Repeat. San by. Magana ane. Si by. Repeat. Si by. Kane. Amazero abiri niyo twita by. Abiri niyo twita by. Abiri niyo twita by. Abiri by. You just need to speak this number. Umubare ubanza ukongeraho icyiciro. Amazero abiri by. Magana atanu. Ubwo tuzavuga u by. Magana atandatu tuvuge ryo by. Magana arindwi chi by. Magana inani tuzavuga ba by. Magana cyenda tuvuge jyo by. Igihumbi amazero atatu tuvuga cien. Ubwo tuzavuga yi cien. Repeat. Yi cien. Okay? Yi cien. Ubwo nukomeza no kujya ku bihumbi 2,000 tuzavuga liang. Ubundi liang nubundi buryo tuvugamo kabiri cyangwa se r. So ushatse wavuga liang qian. Liang qian nibyo byiza. Instead of saying r qian, better say liang. Wongereho qian ya thousands. Okay? Ibihumbi 3 tuvuge san qian. Repeat. San qian. Ibihumbi 4 si qian. ibihumbi bitanu, wo, qian, ibihumbi bitandatu, liu, qian, ibihumbi birindwi, qi, qian. Dukomeze tugere ku bihumbi umunani, ba qian, icyenda, jiu qian, then ibihumbi icumi. Amazeru ane mu gishinwa tuyita 1. Repeat, 1. So mu cyimbo cyo kuvuga shi 1 ngo nuko hano hari amazeru atatu ukavuga icumi ukongeraho qian na makosa. Mu cyimbo cyo kuvuga shi ukongeraho ngo qian, no, cyangwa se kuvuga ngo shi 1 na makosa. So instead of saying shi 1 in English tubara amazeru atatu, ariko mu gishinwa dukata amazeru ane. 1 2 3 4 cut. Aya mazeru ane ukayita 1, iyi rimwe ukayisoma ukwayo. Ubanza tuzavuga yi, wongereho 1. So abanyeshuri benshi bagiye bifuza kumenya uko ushobora ku-expressinga feelings zawe mu gishinwa, cyangwa se kuba wabwira ko umuntu kumukunda cyangwa se utamukunda. In Chinese, expressing your feelings. Uko ushobora kubwira umuntu imvamutima cyangwa se amarangamutima yawe mu gishinwa. Uburyo bwa mbere ni ukubwira umuntu ko umukunda, cyangwa se I love you in Chinese. I love you. In Chinese tuvuga wo, simply wo bivuze me cyangwa se I. Hanyuma I bivuze to love. This is verb to love in Chinese. So tuvuga wo I. You in Chinese tuvuga ni. Repeat. Wo I ni. Wo I ni. It simply means I love ni you. Repeat. Wo I ni I love you. Okay? Repeat after me. Wo I ni. Then how do you answer if someone says I love you? You have to say I love you too. I love you too in Chinese we say 我也 too. Cyangwa se I also love you. It was a two. This one. Cyangwa se also. So to say I love you too we say 我也爱你 我也爱你 I love you too. Hanyuma kuvuga I don't love you. I don't love you. Cyangwa se I hate you. I don't love you. In Chinese we say 我 tugashyiramo this one to negate 不 okay? To say no. 我不 I don't love你 you. I don't love you. 我不爱你 Repeat. 我不爱你 I don't I love you 你 我不爱你 How do you say I'm hungry in Chinese? I'm hungry in Chinese. We say 我饿 Repeat. 我饿 uvuze ngo ndashonje. Kumwe umuntu nyine abashonje avuga wo okay? So in Chinese means to be hungry. 我饿 I'm hungry. Okay? How do you say I miss you in Chinese? I miss you. tuvuga 我 me, then verb to miss is 想 我想你，我想你。Then how do you say nice to meet you? Nice to meet you in Chinese. Kuvuga? 很高兴，很高兴，母上对不对？很 very 高兴 happy very happy 很高兴认识，很高兴认识您，属于什么？很高兴认识您，比如说 nice to meet you or I'm very happy 很高兴认识您，认识 to know 您 you 很高兴认识您 nice to meet you. Then how do you say nice to meet you too? Nice to meet you too. Guess what? hejuru twabonye ko to ivuze yeah. So how do you say nice to meet you too? cyangwa se I'm also happy, I'm also very happy to meet you. In Chinese we usually say 我也 okay? Me too, okay? cyangwa se ukavuga 我也很高兴 ukongeraho 认识您 okay? 我也很高兴认识您 How do you say I want to go or maybe somewhere. I want to go let's say to Kigali. 我要去 I want 去 verb to go. Kigali we usually say in Chinese 家里 Kigali in Chinese is 家里 so everything you know that exists is translated in Chinese. So Kigali is 家里 Rwanda is 卢旺达 So that's why 我要去家里 Repeat 我要去家里我要 verb to want 去 verb to go 家里 I want to go to Kigali I want to go to Kigali. Then how do you say I'm tired in Chinese? You've done a lot of work and you feel exhausted, you feel tired. In Chinese, how do you say I'm tired? I'm tired in Chinese. We usually say 我累了 Repeat 我累了 Again 我累了 累 means to be tired Okay 我累了 I'm tired So if you want to say I'm very tired 我 ukongeraho 很累 Okay 我很累 Okay 我很累 How do you ask for forgiveness in Chinese? I'm sorry. We say 对不起 Repeat 对不起 uko niko dusaba imbabazi mu Gishinwa. Then if someone says sorry, you have to say it's okay, no problem. So to say no problem or it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We say 没关系 Repeat 没关系 It doesn't matter or simply No problem. Okay? kaduhere hejuru. I love you. 我爱你. I love you too. 我也爱你. I don't love you. 我不爱你. I'm hungry. 我饿. I miss you. 我想你. Nice to meet you. 很高兴认识您. 我要去基加利. Oh, I want to go to Kigali. I'm tired. I'm tired. We say 我累了. Oh, I'm very tired. 我很累. I'm sorry. Ask for forgiveness. 对不起. Okay? 对不起. 对不起老师. Okay? Sorry teacher. Father twabonye tuvuga baba. So urashaka gusaba imbabazi papa wawe uzavuga 对不起 wongereho father baba. Gusaba imbabazi mama wawe tuvuga 对不起 mama. Okay? Then how do you say it doesn't matter? Oh, it's okay. I forgive you. tuvuga 没关系. Repeat. 没关系. Jiju lama. Jiju is like, have you memorized this? Very good. Thank you. See you next time. 下次再见. So this marks the end of our subject today. My name is Wu 老师 or teacher Wu or Paul Shaka, whatever. So waba wifuza kwiga igishinwa muri Action College, don't hesitate to come and start learning Chinese in Action College. We're going to help you in just a very short time. So thank you for today. See you next time. Bye bye. 再见.